Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we've got a nice, easy, simple video again. It's just replacing a door handle and potentially the lock, but we're just going to focus on the handle for today, only because I got asked to do one the other day and it occurred to me that it's such a simple thing that a lot of people don't really know. People like myself as a tradesman take these things for granted and we forget that a lot of the time people can't do this. So let's get straight into it guys and I'll show you how to put a handle on. It is good practice to just pop a door stop under the door like so. Make sure it can't close. I'm quite fortunate there's a wall there. If it does, it's not a problem. You can just turn the spindle in the lock and it'll open. It just saves aggro though. So really guys, the only tools you're really going to need is a screwdriver. Additional tools can involve a set square, a level, a drill and a small drill bit. I mean, I've got a posi driver in there, but it's just for example. And they should get you by to do what we're going to do here. So we'll get straight into it, showing you how to replace one that's already there. Then we'll just talk through how to install one if one isn't already there, say it's a new door. So what you're going to do is undo these screws like so. And there we have it guys, we have our spindle here. You'll get this with a new handle pack anyway. So we've inserted the lock like so into the hole in the door. As you can see, there's a small square in there. So that small square in there is actually the latch for the door. And the spindle is obviously what makes the handle and the lock turn. So what we're going to do is pop it in there. When these come or when these arrive, they may be too long. So you may have to cut them down slightly with a hacksaw or grinder or whatever you may have. You can use a junior hacksaw, it may take some time, so I advise a decent hacksaw if you're going to cut them down, but we're quite fortunate with this one. We're going to insert it like so, and then we're going to put the door handle on like that. Very easy guys. Now at this point we can just screw into the old screws and that's it, it's replaced, happy days. However, if there isn't any holes there and this is a new door, you may have to use a set square to get the right distance for each hole. So obviously you just line it up like that. You can use a ruler, it doesn't matter, as long as you get the same measurements at each side. Or you can use the level. It's not very reliable this way, although I have seen a joiner do it a few times. But personally, I don't like that way. But it's there as an option guys, okay, if you prefer that then off you go. Or you can just use your eye level, which again many joiners do. As long as the latch works, the lock works, make sure you try it before you screw it in. Good little tip there for you. And then if the holes aren't already there, you get a smaller drill bit than the screw provided. What I would do is mark with a pencil through the holes, take it off, and you would drill the holes. Once you've drilled the holes and you're happy, just pop the handle back on like so, insert the screws, gently screw them in a little bit into the hole, if you can find the hole. That was a poor joke, I do apologise. It's inappropriate, not professional at all on any level. And then once happy, we're going to screw it in like that. Job done, okay? And you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. Once happy, it's always good practice to do that and check it, make sure it works. That's it guys, nothing to it. Thanks for joining me, I'll see you on the next video.